Hello there everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be making a basic bodice pattern. As you can see, my paper is folded into two, so with that we're going to be drafting our front and back pattern. So first we'll line our start point, and so from there we'll go on to measure our bust point and under bust point, and also our waistline. So my bust point is 9, my under bust is 12.5, and my half length is 15 and a half. So once I'm done pointing it out, I'll go ahead and line it out. So from there, we'll go ahead and measure our back length. Mine is 14. 14 divided by 2 is 7 inches. So from there, for my back inch, that's the 7, I go down by 1 inch, and from there, I draw my shoulder slope down to my neckline. So once we're done drawing out our shoulder slope, we go down to our armhole depth. So mine is 7. So from the 1 inches down, I go down by 7 inches, and then from there I mark it out and draw a point. So from there also I'm going to draw a straight line. So after that we're going to name it. The first one being start point, so you can call it shoulder line. Second one chest line. The third one under bust, and your waistline also. So after we've labeled it, we're going to go down from the shoulder slope where we created our shoulder slope, and we're going to roll down to our chest point. So once we're done with that one, we're going to make use of our tape. And then from there we measure in by half an inch. So that's for the shoulder slope. So before you measure in the 1 inches, we are going to divide our armhole by 2. So from the half of our armhole, that's what we're going by half an inch. So from there, we're going to make use of our curve ruler and connect the points. So for the chest line, we're going to get our measurements for our bust. So mine divided by 4 is 8.5. So once I've marked the point there, I go on with my curve ruler and connect the points together. So after we connecting the armhole points together, we're going to measure our nipple to nipple measurement from our waistline down to our bust point. Mine is 3. Mine is 6. 6 divided by 2 is 3. So I went on and measured it on my pattern, which is 3. So once I'm done with that, I'm going to draw a line up. So from the line up, I'm going to, on each side, I'm going by half an inch, half an inch. So sorry guys, for demonstration purposes, I did not draw the line of the 3 inches, but I was able to get in the half inches on both sides. So the dart measurement was correct. Before drawing my dart up, I came down by 1 inch for my bust point. So after coming down by 1 inch, I was able to connect my darts. Okay, so once we're done with that, we go on to measure our waist measurements. While measuring also, please don't forget to add the extra 1 inches that you took out from the darts. So you go back on and measure your darts, which should be about 1 inch. Then you put the 1 inch extra on your measurements. So once you're done with that, you go up from your chest line and curve down to your waistline. So once I was done with that, I went up and measured my neck. I did the normal measurement, so I did three width and 3 lengths. So once I was done marking the points. I made use of my ruler. So I drew a box like drawing. So which will help some people with a round neck. Some people struggle with the round neck. So this technique can actually help with your ruler or with your free hand. Okay, so guys, remember this worded pattern we're using it both for our front pattern and our back pattern. So the first round neck I actually did was the back pattern. I went in by 3 and I went down by 1.5. So from there I curved the neck. So after that I went on to do my front pattern. So I went down by 3 for the front pattern, and I created a square like rectangle shape, and then from there I used my curve ruler and curved the round neck. So once I was done curving out the neck, I went on to label it. So you can see, as I've done for the back, I labeled it back. and so for the front I'll label it front, so when I'm cutting I won't be confused. So once we're done with that, our basic bodice pattern is ready. So once we're done with that, we'll go ahead and cut it out. After cutting it out, we'll go ahead and separate the back from the front. Okay, so while cutting this pattern drafting on our fabric, please don't forget to put 1.5 extra inches on the side of the cloth, and also for the zipper allowance, and on the other side you can put about half an inch allowance for sewing allowance. Okay, as soon as you've cut the back pattern, and please don't forget to divide the pattern into two, from the center part, so you don't mistakenly cut the front. So as soon as I'm done cutting the back pattern, I went in and cut the paper into two. So for the back I separated it, and for the front I went ahead and cut out the front. Pattern, I measured each side, and from there I was able to get my dart for the back. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this was helpful. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share.